Hi friends, welcome to Kindred Soul Food. This immune boosting beetroot orange salad is super healthy and a quick fix meal on the days when you want to eat something that's light, fresh and full of flavor. You will actually look forward to eating beetroot with this recipe. We are going to need 1 navel orange, 1 beetroot, 5 to 6 pistas, 2 to 3 walnut pieces. For the dressing, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Now, if we don't have the balsamic vinegar, we could replace it with 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar mixed with 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder or 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. For the dressing, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. If you like a little bit more sweetish flavor, you can add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Now, if you don't have balsamic vinegar, you can mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a teaspoon of jaggery powder or brown sugar. It will give it a similar flavor. Add the pinch of salt, black pepper, whisk it well, and our dressing is ready. The beetroot is boiled in the pressure cooker along with pinch of salt. Alternatively, we can also cook it in the microwave till tender. Now we are going to peel the beetroot and grate it. Thoroughly wash the orange and slice off both the ends. Follow the curve of the orange to slice off the peel. Remove the seeds and then cut it into small size pieces. Now add the dressing to the grated beetroot and mix it well. We can also add any extra orange juice that's collected with the fruit. Now we'll chop the spring onions, pistas and walnuts in small pieces that we will use to garnish the salad. You can take any nuts of your choice like roasted peanuts, cashews, or even pumpkin or sunflower seeds if you prefer. It's time to assemble the salad. First, we will layer the grated beetroot at the bottom of the plate. Now place the chopped oranges on the beetroot and finally garnish the nuts and spring onions on the top. Your beautiful salad is ready. You can mix it just before serving. The citrusy flavor from oranges and earthy sweetness from the beetroot mixed with the dressing gives it a fantastic flavor. Hope you've liked this recipe. Do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching and good health to all.